Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for amazing content. Let's get started. The 50-cent euro coin 2009 is one of the most important denominations of the euro currency system, which was introduced in 2002 as the official currency of the eurozone. By 2009, the euro had already become a well-established and widely circulated currency used across many European Union member states. The 50-cent coin, in particular, represents half of a euro and plays a vital role in everyday transactions such as shopping, vending machines, public transport, and banking. The 2009 issue holds historical significance because it falls in the period when the euro was still relatively young but firmly integrated into the European and global economy. Unlike banknotes, which are common across all countries, euro coins carry unique national designs on one side, giving them both a practical and cultural value. The physical design of the 2009 50-cent coin reflects the common European identity while also showcasing national individuality. On the reverse common side, designed by Belgian artist Luc Luycx, the coin features the map of Europe with 6 horizontal lines intersecting through the denomination, 50 euro cent. On these lines, 12 stars are placed, symbolizing the unity and solidarity of the European Union. The inscription, euro cent, and the number, 50, are prominently displayed, making it easy to recognize and use in circulation. The obverse national side varies depending on the issuing country. For example, in Germany, the coin bears the image of the Brandenburg Gate, representing unity and freedom. In Italy, it shows the statue of Emperor Marcus Aurelius. In Spain, it depicts the portrait of King Juan Carlos I in 2009. Each country selected designs that reflect their culture, history, or leadership, making the 50-cent euro coin a miniature piece of national identity. In terms of technical specifications, the 2009 50-cent euro coin is made from a special material known as Nordic gold, which is not actually gold but an alloy composed of copper 89%, aluminum 5%, zinc 5%, and tin 1%. This alloy gives the coin its golden color and makes it resistant to tarnishing and corrosion, ensuring durability and circulation. The coin has a diameter of 24.25 millimeters, a thickness of 2.38 millimeters, and a weight of 7.8 grams. One of the most distinctive features of the 50-cent coin is its Spanish flower edge, a 12-sided indentation that makes the coin easy to identify by touch and prevents confusion with other denominations. This tactile feature is particularly useful for the visually impaired, and it reflects the EU's commitment to inclusivity. The 2009 minting year is also noteworthy in the broader economic and political context. The world had just entered a financial crisis in 2008, and 2009 was a challenging year for the Eurozone economies. Despite these difficulties, euro coins continued to be produced in large numbers to meet the needs of citizens and businesses. For collectors, the 2009 coins hold special interest because they represent this critical period in European history. Depending on the country of issue, some coins from 2009 were minted in smaller numbers, making them relatively more collectible. In general circulation, however, the 50-cent coin remains very common and widely used. From a numismatic perspective, the value of a 2009 50-cent euro coin usually depends on its condition, rarity, and mint mark. A normal circulated coin has a face value of 0.50 euros, but uncirculated or proof versions, especially those issued in coin sets by mints such as Monnaie de Paris, the German mint, or the Spanish mint, can be worth more to collectors. For example, a 2009 proof set featuring a 50-cent coin can be valued significantly higher because of its limited mintage and pristine quality. Coins graded by professional services and kept in mint condition are especially desirable for those who specialize in euro coin collections. The symbolism of the 50-cent coin extends beyond its monetary function. It represents the unity of nations within the EU, the balance between national pride and collective identity, and the practical need for a strong, reliable, and widely accepted currency. The coin's circulation across multiple countries also demonstrates the success of the euro as a unifying economic tool. Each time a person uses a 2009 50-cent euro coin, whether in Paris, Berlin, Madrid, or Rome, they participate in a shared economic and cultural experience that crosses borders. This is part of the reason why euro coins are also popular among travelers, historians, and collectors. In everyday life, the 2009 50-cent coin is extremely useful. Its medium value makes it suitable for paying small amounts, rounding off purchases, and combining with other coins to make larger sums. For vending machines, parking meters, and transport tickets, the 50-cent piece is a standard input. The golden color also makes it easy to distinguish from other euro coins, especially the copper-colored 1, 2, and 5-cent coins or the bimetallic 1 and 2 euro coins. This practical design ensures smooth transactions in daily activities. To conclude, the 50-cent euro coin 2009 is not just a simple piece of currency, it is a symbol of European identity, history, and economic resilience. With its durable Nordic gold composition, distinctive Spanish flower edge, and unique national designs, it represents the unity of diversity within Europe. For numismatists, it carries collectible value, especially in special issues or proof conditions. For ordinary citizens, it remains a reliable tool of trade and exchange. The 2009 issue, in particular, stands as a reminder of Europe's strength during a time of financial challenge, making it both historically significant and practically valuable.